What's happening?
He disturbed me over there.
Yes, Shoreline Police.
Okay.
What's happening?
He disturbed me over there.
What's your name and badge number?
Hey, you guys, come out. Come out. Hey, dude, stay. Keep your fucking hands up.
Yes, sir.
Come out. Come out. Don't you fucking move. Keep your hands up. Come out. Is there anyone else in there?
You're not the sheriff, are you?
Dude.
I'm not coming out.
Hey, back up behind the cars.
Name and badge number.
Dude, stop. Stop. Back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up. Get out of here. Go. Go. Item 6, I've got the employees out. There's one guy behind the counter screaming, "Don't kill me." I don't see weapons.
Shoreline, you still have a line inside. He is yelling at them that he wants an ambulance.
Copy. 411, if you have him on the line, can you see if he'll come out and talk to us? This is the Shoreline Police! Sir, come outside with your hands up! Sir, come outside with your hands up! Alright, go back down.
Stand up with your hands in the air and walk out to us.
This is the King County Sheriff's Office. We're not leaving. We need to help you. Please come out with your hands up so that we can help you, okay? We're not going to leave. We want to help you. We know that you're behind the counter, okay? But we want to help you, okay? So you need to come out with your hands up so that we can do that. We have officers here that are going to help you. We're not going to hurt you. If you can come out with your hands up, we're not going to mess with you. Just come on out so that we can help you. At the very least, come to that door so that we can see you're okay with both your hands up.
So the clerk said that this guy came in and he was just standing in the store for about 30-ish minutes.
Guys, there's going to be somebody coming out the front, possibly an RP. Just watch for that.
Oh, there is someone else.
That's what she said, according to 911 just now.
Oh, that looks like a way.
She's coming out.
Wow.
All right, 4 Sam, we have one coming out.
Come on out the front door with your hands up. We're all here to help you. Oh my God!
Keep an eye there. Please, what is that? Get on the ground. Yes, sir.
Oh, God.
Relax.
Yes. Oh, Father, protect me. Jehovah be with me.
Oh my God!
Keep an eye there.
Please, what is that? Yes, sir. Oh, God.
Relax.
Yes. Oh, Father, protect me. Jehovah be with me. Please be with me, Jehovah. Oh, I'm good on